Good afternoon, students. Nayak Kesha here. Welcome to my class. How are you? Fine. This is our lecture number 5. Today we are going to discuss about mitochondria. Mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell. We know. Powerhouse of the cell called mitochondria. Why? Because metabolic processes such as a tricarboxylic acid cycle and other ATP, or we can say energy generating processes, are carried out in a mitochondria in the form of ATP. Full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. The major energy currency of all life form take place here. Mitochondria are cylindrical structure and measure 0.3 to 1 micrometer by 5 to 10 micrometer. It is a size. Mitochondrial size is 0.3 to 1 micrometer. Some cells processes 1000 or more mitochondria or other like yeast, unicellular algae and trypanosomes have a single giant tubular mitochondria twisted into a network permeating the cytoplasm. This is a structure of the mitochondria in which there are 3 layers: inner membrane, outer membrane and intermediate. The mitochondria is bounded by the 2 membrane, an outer mitochondrial membrane separated from an inner mitochondrial membrane by 6 to 8 nanometer intermembrane space. The outer mitochondrial membrane contains porins. It is a one type of protein present in the outer mitochondrial membrane and thus is similar to the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria. The inner membrane has an infolding called the क्रिस्टी. हम लोगों ने क्रिस्टी के बारे में डिटेल में स्टडी की गोल्जी एपरेटर्स में, which greatly increase its surface area. What is the function of क्रिस्टी? It increase its surface area. The shape of the क्रिस्टी differs in mitochondrial form various species, which means गोल्जी apparatus में जो क्रिस्टी present थी, it is only one type of shape, but in mitochondria क्रिस्टी have various shapes like plate-like, laminar क्रिस्टी shaped like disc, tubular क्रिस्टी and क्रिस्टी in the shape of the vesicles have all been observed. The inner membrane encloses the mitochondrial matrix, a dense material. It is another structure present in the mitochondria. First, outer membrane. Second, inner membrane between intermediate space, क्रिस्टी and अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं मैट्रिक्स. What is matrix? The inner membrane encloses the mitochondrial matrix, means a dense material containing ribosome, DNA, a large calcium phosphate granules. Means matrix में क्या present है? Ribosome, DNA, large calcium phosphate granules. In many organisms, mitochondrial DNA is closed circle like most bacterial DNA. Some protist mitochondrial DNA is linear. Another structure present है वो DNA. It is a closed circle and some protist mitochondrial DNA is a linear. Each mitochondrial compartment has a characteristic chemical and enzymatic compositions. The outer and inner mitochondrial membrane processing a different lipids. मीन्स आउटर और इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट होता है, उसके अलावा क्या प्रेजेंट होता है, लिपिड्स. एंजाइम्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर्स इन्वॉल्व इन इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोराइलेशन आर लोकेटेड only in the inner membrane. It is the functions of the inner membrane. We know mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell, means all the ATP generating methods are carried out in the mitochondria. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में कौन से पार्ट में होती है, इनर मेम्ब्रेन में, लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन इन विच इलेक्ट्रॉन आर कैरीज बाय द इलेक्ट्रॉन donor and acceptor, or we can say electron carrier, and last में electron acceptor होता है which is O2 and ATP is generated. Other reactions like oxidative phosphorylation are also located in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Enzymes of the tricarboxylic acid means TCA cycle and those involved with the catabolism of fatty acid are located in the matrix. Other reactions are carried out in the matrix, means dense material present in the mitochondria. It is called the matrix, in which catabolic reactions means breaking down of the fatty acid. लिपिड में से क्या ब्रेक डाउन होता है, लिपिड ब्रेक डाउन होके सॉरी catabolism means breaking down of fatty acid are located in the matrix. Means enzymes of the TCA cycles and catabolism of fatty acid both are located in the matrix, and electron transport chain, oxidative phosphorylations are located in the only in the inner membrane. It is a very important thing. The mitochondrial uses, it is the or we can say functions of the mitochondria. The mitochondrion uses its DNA and ribosome to synthesize some of its own protein. In fact, mutation in mitochondrial DNA often lead to serious disease in human. What type of disease is caused by the mutation in mitochondrial DNA? It is asked in the examination. Its answer is anemia, lipoma and hypertension are carried out by the mutation in the mitochondrial DNA. Most mitochondrial protein are manufactured under the direction of the nucleus and must be transported into the mitochondria. Mitochondria are reproduced by the binary fission, a reproductive process is used by many bacteria. It is the applications or we can say functions and reproductive methods of the mitochondria. This is a structure of mitochondria in which ribosome are present, intermediate space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane, a dense material present in the mitochondria, it is called the matrix. It indicated by the blue color. Then DNA is also present, inner membrane cristae and outer membrane. This is the structure of a mitochondria. Next, move to the hydrogenosome. It is a very interesting topic of eukaryotic cell structure. I think it is the new for ours. Hydrogenosomes are small organelles involved in the energy conservation processes in some anaerobic protists. Other organisms contain hydrogenosomes are animals and fungi. Hydrogenosomes are bounded by double membrane, means two membranes are present in hydrogenosome. They often lack a क्रिस्टी and lack a DNA. उसमें DNA और क्रिस्टी प्रेजेंट नहीं है. They also differ from mitochondria in terms of the method used to generate ATP. Means माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर क्या जनरेट होता है? ATP. Means all the ATP generating process carried out in a mitochondria. But in hydrogenosomes, pyruvate is catabolized by the fermentative process and generating carbon dioxide, hydrogen and acetate are formed. One more thing is that hydrogenosomes are characterized and named in the early 1970 by D.G. Lindmark. Means D.G. Lindmark characterized the hydrogenosomes. In some hydrogenosomes bearing a protist, these metabolic products are consumed by symbiotic bacteria and archaea living with the protist. So it is a very important for our ecology. It is the example of the symbiotic relationship are protist and many bacteria and archaea. The symbiotic archaea include methanogens that consume the carbon dioxide and hydrogen and methane. This is a figure of metabolic activities of hydrogenosome, in which inorganic molecules are break down and converted into the glucose. By the glycolysis, pyruvate is formed, and in which ATP is reduced. By the hydrogenosome organelles present in the many protists, fungi and animals, it is a catabolized, or we can say by the catabolism, in which ADP is converted into the ATP. Means energy is required, and breakdown of pyruvate generate hydrogens H2, carbon dioxide CO2 and acetate. This is a metabolic pathway of carried out in the hydrogenosome. Thank you.